Hi, welcome to the channel. Today, Monica and our little adventure for the day is to make a molding of our hands. So, got this for Monica for Christmas, something fun that we could do together. So, we're going to go ahead and get started.
Look at all the squishy stuff in the middle now.
Don't move just wiggle and don't take your hands, don't take your fingers off.
I did put stuff in between the palms. Well, stand up. Stand up straight.
Alexa, how much time is left on the timer?
Your timer has 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining.
Oh, that would be bad. That's pretty good.
Feels like rubber. Is that rubber, molding stuff? Alexa, cancel timer.
Are you sure you don't want mine to go out first?
Timer canceled.
I feel like yours is in there tighter. Okay. I can pull mine out for you.
What's that?
This has a lot. Oh, that was easy.
It said to start at the bottom. So you probably should start at the bottom.
Wow, look at that.
Using sandpaper to get the rough edges. You're sitting here working and the birds are flying around outside. Take a look at the birds.